English reading comprehension test today. It's on simple present test reading. You need to choose the best answer after reading the comprehension text. Are you ready? Here we go. Mrs. Barley is a teacher. She works at a secondary school. She always gets up early, has breakfast, and walks to school. Students like her a lot. They often say Mrs. Barley is the most affectionate teacher. Her students have reading classes before lunch, but this week they are outside for physical exercises and training. They are preparing for a contest. Last year, they were not so lucky, and they ranked number 2. But this year, they hope they will be number 1. Mrs. Barley is pretty sure that they will achieve it. The first question: how does Mrs. Barley go to work? A, she walks. B, she drives. Or C, takes a taxi. Or D, she rides a bike. Number 2, they hope means A, they accept. B, they have. C, they expect. Or D, they know. And the answer is they expect. Number 3, what is the contest mainly about? A, physical performance. B, social sciences. C, spiritual values. Or D, fine art. And the answer is physical performance. Number 4, where does Mrs. Barley teach? A, at a middle school. B, at a library. C, at a pension. Or D, at a primary school. And the answer is A, at a middle school. Number 5, which of the following is true? A, students performed best last year. B, students do not respect Mrs. Barley. C, students are preparing hard for the contest. Or D, Mrs. Barley is not certain that students will win next time. And the answer is C, students are preparing hard for the contest. Did you get them all correct? I hope so. Thank you guys for visiting my YouTube channel. Please stay tuned for the next video. Practice is the key to understanding the English language, as I've always said. Please like my page, make a comment, guys, and I will see you during the next English exercise. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.